Hi everyone, welcome to Gadsden Freedom Outdoors. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Hey guys, Bill with Gadsden Freedom Outdoors, and today we're going to smoke a 10-pound turkey on the Pit Boss smoker. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we're back. So now what we're going to do is rub the turkey with W sauce. Beer and Burton's, this stuff is amazing. I've shared this with you before. All you have to do is lightly rub it on. So you just put a little bit on and just drizzle it all over the bird. This is basically going to use for adhering the herbs and the spices that we're going to roll onto this baby. So just go ahead and do a light coat. Right? You just want to make sure you cover all the surfaces. Wings, legs, the thighs. Let's get a nice light coat of it. And then on the inside of the bird, we took some finely chopped garlic and stuffed the cavity with it with some seasonings so that we can get some of that flavor inside to penetrate the other sides of the meat. Okay, so next step is to put our rub on the bird before we get it on the smoker. So we just kind of you know, don't get crazy, but we just dust it, and then we're going to rub it in a little bit just so it gets on the meat. A little bit in the cavity. Want to make sure we get it on the bottom side where the thighs are, on the outside of the wings. We're going to do it over here, down the front, get it nice, and back side of the drums. On this side here, with a little bit of residual, we can pack it all on. And like I said, you don't want to go crazy, just enough to get it on the bird. Okay, now we're gonna take her to the smoker. Hey guys, now we have it on the smoker. I'm going to use my meter probe, just like that. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and set it up on our meter block, and this is gonna communicate to the app on my phone. It's going to monitor the temperature of the cook, and we cook by temperature, not by time. So internal temp for poultry is about 165 degrees. We'll take it off and let it rest, and we'll show you the end product. Okay guys, now that the turkey's on the smoker, I've got my Meter Plus probe installed. It's a wireless probe that I use for cooking. It's a great product, and that is the app on the right. The app on the left is actually my Pit Boss probe, and I just compare them together. Pit Boss, where it says heating to 250, that's the temperature ambient inside the smoker. And then if you look closer, the bird is 71 degrees, and the target temp is 165. The meter probe is a bit more accurate, so it's about 60 degrees internal, 165 target, 182 inside the smoker. It's going to eventually catch up to get an accurate temperature. So stay tuned. I'll show you the finished product in a little while. Alright, there it is, the finished product, 165 degrees. Look at that, nice crust. Oh boy, that looks amazing. Alright, tune in for more tips on cooking at Gadsden Freedom Outdoors. See you later, guys.